Hey y'all, you're always welcomed at Memaw's house, where today we are making shrimp and crab dip. We'll go ahead and get started with opening our can of crab meat, and I'll put the ingredients on the screen and you can pause and write. This is one of the menu items that I had prepared for my Mother's Day luncheon that I had with my sisters. It's pretty self-explanatory, so I won't do a lot of talking, but if you have any questions, you can always put them down in the comments below. As you see, I'm only using the green part of the onion. The white is a little bit too strong for the shrimp and crab meat to carry. I like these shrimp by Great Value, the Walmart brand shrimp, because they're large and they're very clean. I don't have to do a whole lot of cleaning and deveining and all of that. And I can chop them up the size that I want to, and they maintain the shrimp texture. They're not squishy like you find in some of those smaller salad shrimp. I add half of the seasoning before I mix, and then after I mix it, I'll add the other half to taste. I mix this part by hand to maintain the structure of the shrimp.
Alright guys, I love seafood, so I haven't had this before.
The whole thing.
Mmm, it's really good. I got too much. Hold on one second. So this is really rich and creamy. You can taste pretty much much every factor of it. The cream cheese is really creamy, and then the crab and the shrimp add just what it needs to. It's really subtle and delicious.
Now it's time to flake my crab and shrimp dip. I didn't have any saran wrap, so here's a trick. Use a plastic bag, a Ziploc bag, and it works just as well. Here it is, my shrimp and crab dip. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you to my subscribers who are already here. I enjoy having these times with you in the kitchen. Y'all be blessed. Bye.